ignition of the solid rocket boosters and liftoff. Liftoff of America's space shuttle, and the space shuttle has cleared the tower. Houston now controlling. Mission control confirms roll maneuver start.
And Columbia, Houston, we're looking at some pictures coming from camera Delta, and they're looking great.
Okay, Dan, good.
Looks like it's a little cloudy out here, Sally. It's a good thing the Surrey sees through that.
It looks like a black and white aerial photograph. Probably the most startling thing that was discovered on the terrain that Surrey looked at was in the southern portions of Egypt. And it was discovered there that the top meters of sand, 6 to 10 feet or so, were so extremely dry and porous that the radar beams actually could penetrate that layer and would then reflect off of a surface beneath the sand sheet. So what would look to your eye as a just trackless sand sheet if you flew over or were driving across it, to the radar's eye it turned out to be an old river system, complete with valleys and channels and gravels and sandbars that had been covered by a sand sheet.
Radar to pinpoint the ages of these features, it always requires that we go on the ground and do some verification. What the radar does, or this mapping capability does from space, is to give us a global view about the hydrological condition which could have occurred in the past before it got covered with sand, and it will help appreciably in where we go and do ground expeditions.
We've looked very carefully on the Sur-B sites for other areas of the world that might be that dry and might have a transparent surface layer beneath which we could see evidence of former rivers or perhaps learn more things about old climates and older civilizations.